Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to do a quick recap on 2023 and talk about our goals for 2024. So it's been a great year, a lot of new faces, a lot of returning faces, and we want to keep that going for 2024. Keep putting smiles on faces, serving the customer, putting dreams in driveways, and we've got some great stuff going on. We've got the EV9 starting to hit the ground soon. Really exciting vehicle, groundbreaking on the electric front, 3 rows, great styling, and really some fabulous technology that it's going to introduce. So excited to see those. And if you're not quite ready to make that switch yet, we have some great revisions that are upcoming for the Sorento. The whole lineup really has never been better than it is right now. And hopefully we're going to start to see rates coming down, so be a great time to buy a vehicle. And all we want to do is just be here to serve. So we want to keep that rolling. Excited for what 2024 has to bring. Whatever you need from us, don't hesitate to reach out. That's it.